Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Treetops and Trimmings holiday release. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the brand new Glory in the Highest standalone die set. This two-piece die set cuts out a beautiful outlined angel with a star as well as Glory in the Highest sentiment. The angel measures 3.7 inches by 4.1 inches and the sentiment measures 3 inches by 2.3 inches. I absolutely love how these coordinate together or even separate, and don't forget you can fill in that angel with all those separate pieces if you'd like. The design team has done some beautiful things with that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at a card I made using it. I only used the words, but I also used the star. So happy with how this turned out. And now let's take a look at what the rest of the design team has done. Absolutely beautiful projects. Be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.